I know what you're thinking. Why am I watching a 6000 rupees foundation review? But if this video can save you from wasting thousands on the wrong luxury foundation or help you decide if it is actually worth the money, watch till the end because I have also included a 2-day wear test. So today I'm going to review the YSL All Hours Glow Foundation I picked up during this Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. This was for rupees 5100 and I grabbed 800 rupees discount, so I got this just for rupees 4300. I know it's still very pricey, but if you are into luxury foundation, love your base makeup to look flawless, we are going to see how much flawless, how much good this foundation is, because I have seen mixed reviews. Some have liked it, some have not. So today I'm going to see how it performs on my dry and matured skin type. Well, you get 25 ml of quantity and the shade I picked up for myself is MN7. I already have tried their foundation and I think YSL does some great job in formulating a foundation, because their All Hours matte foundation was one of the best I had ever tried on my dry skin, but because I chosen a wrong shade, so I cannot wear that foundation more often. I have to mix and match and do a lot of tasks to make it work on my skin tone. So today is not a first impression on this foundation because I already tried it yesterday, did a 7 hours of wear test, so it is a second day impression. So for the primer today, I used my YSL Touche Éclat Blur Primer. It is such an amazing primer. It's silicone but it's not drying at all. It's kind of hydrating, feels absolutely lightweight and gives some kind of satiny finish. I have been using it for more than 2 years, really love this, and this mini size is still going strong. I have already color corrected the darkness with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in 338, and now without any more further delay, let's just get into the foundation application. I absolutely love the packaging and this YSL detailing. Oh my god, it's luxury. Comes with a pump. Oh wow, it's very runny and watery. You can see it's dripping. I absolutely love these kind of texture when it comes to foundation. This has a very faint perfumey fragrance. The YSL Glow Foundation is a lightweight serum-infused foundation that promises a natural skin-like glow with medium buildable coverage. It's enriched with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide to keep the skin feeling hydrated and comfortable throughout the day while giving a smooth, even-looking complexion. The brand also claims it's long-wearing without feeling heavy. So of course, I had to put those claims to the test with not just one but 2 full wear tests. So on my left, I accidentally took a bit of more product and it fairly gave medium buildable coverage, but on my right I went with very less quantity and it gave me a skin tint kind of effect. So you can definitely wear this foundation according to your preference, whether you want to use it for your everyday wear or special occasion when you want to look presentable and polished. Well, the glow, it's right there. It's glowy, it's dewy, luminous, giving me that healthy skin vibe, feeling very lightweight and hydrating, and I absolutely love how it smoothened and evened out my skin. Even on right side where I took less quantity, my skin looks a lot even toned and smoothened out, and I can see it has slightly blurred my pore area. I'm trying to build up a little bit on the right hand side because I want to look equal. I mean, just look at my skin, how gorgeous it looks, and even after layering it twice, I don't see any kind of patchiness, no brush strokes, no cakey looking skin, no masky looking skin. It looks like my skin, much better and more polished. I finished applying this foundation at 11:30, so I'll complete the rest of my face makeup and be right back. So guys, I'm sure again, and this is how my skin looks with the YSL Glow Foundation. Honestly speaking, I'm in love with the formulation because even after layering so much makeup, my skin feels lightweight and hydrating because it has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide as the major key ingredient. Now the glow doesn't look oily or greasy, but on the other hand, it looks very natural and healthy looking. Whatever products I layered on top of this foundation went on like butter. I did not have to put a lot of effort. It was just doing its job seamless. I don't see any kind of patchiness, no streakiness. Also, it has not clung to any of my dry patches. It's not emphasizing any of my textures, and my pore area looks a lot smoothened and blurred out. One, because of the blur primer, and two, because of the foundation. Also because this foundation has some silicone contents in it. My skin looks so smooth, even toned, as if I have a filter on, which I don't have. You can see over here. You know, the moment when a foundation shade matches you perfectly, it's like your skin tone in a bottle. For me, it is that moment today. The shade match is bang on. You can see my face and my neck is just one color. I did not even bring the foundation down to my neck, which I hate the most. I don't like my clothes staining. I can wear this shade all year long. Even in winters, I can pull off the shade very well with some brightening concealer on the center of my face, and I'm good to go. Even though this is a neutral tone foundation, it's not true neutral. It has a bit of warmth, which my skin loves the most. I don't know how oily skin can react to this foundation. It will be little too oily. I'm not sure. I am waiting for the wear test because glowy foundation generally tends to look oily after some time, so I am waiting. Well, YSL did not claim whether this foundation is transfer proof, waterproof, humidity proof, but they did mention that it is a life proof foundation, and even after your active day, it is going to stay in place all put together. So we are going to see that also. So I have already swatched the foundation on the back of my hand. Let's see how much it has oxidized. Okay, so this has oxidized half to one shade deeper, and post oxidation it looks gorgeous. For your kind information, this is a day 2 of trying out this foundation. I already did a day 1 of wear test, and I will be putting together everything at the end of this video. Here's my skin after 7 hours, and honestly I'm speechless. I have tried so many glowy foundations from affordable to luxury, but my skin has never looked this polished. It still feels lightweight and hydrating, and despite the glow, it doesn't look greasy at all. Up close, it hasn't emphasized my textures, clung to dry patches or shifted around. It still looks smooth and fresh, almost like I just applied it. Look around my nose, there's barely any settling, and it hasn't faded either. Even around my chin, there is no creasing, separating or movement. Everything still looks beautifully intact. The glow still looks exactly like it did when I first applied it. It's fresh, healthy and so skin-like. Day 2 after 6 hours, and it still looks so put together. Nothing has melted, shifted or broken apart, and the finish still looks incredibly fresh. It's still sitting beautifully on my skin, no settling into fine lines or dry patches. My complexion looks smooth, even, and it still feels lightweight and comfortable. I am honestly shocked. It hasn't separated even a little, and it still doesn't look cakey or patchy. Even around the corners of my nose, there's barely any settling. That's seriously impressive. Wow, my pores still looks blurred and smooth. It honestly still looks freshly applied. Even on day 2, the glow is still beautiful, not greasy. So, oily skin can absolutely enjoy this with the right skin prep. There was only a tiny bit of oil after 6 hours, and once I blotted it, the foundation underneath still looked exactly the same. See, the oil transferred, but the foundation didn't. No foundation is perfect for everyone, but after trying this for 2 days, I genuinely understand why so many people love it. So if you love glowy, skin-like, long-wearing foundations, this is a must try.